I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is my Ricky's Cult Crushes box. So I also did my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm, so make sure you watch those videos as well. This month, I have to admit, I've only actually used one of the products because usually I like to use all the products and give you an actual review on them. And let me just get into it and I'll tell you why. So this one is from Murad, and this is the Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Murad is actually known for their acne products, and they are supposed to be really wonderful, and it is a pricey brand. So I thought this was really great. However, it's not something that get out of here, fly. It's not something that I would use. So I am going to save it and give it away. And then this is from Hairfinity, and this is a 7-day supply of hair and nail vitamins. You know, it's got biotin and collagen and whatever the heck else it has in it. And you can see the pills in there, you know, they're pretty big and they just have like that little plastic shell on it. I don't know, it's not actually plastic, but you know what I mean. Anyway, healthy hair vitamins, which I am a big fan of. I've been taking stuff like that for a long time, and then recently I've been using my Coco Locks, which I am obsessed with. I love my Coco Locks. So I will be doing a review on that, so make sure you check that out. Also, I think I've posted about it on Instagram a couple of times. Anyway, this is one of those things that I'm like, I'm already taking hair vitamins. I'm not gonna take it right now. If I do, otherwise I might just give it away and stick with my Coco Locks, because that one I can drink. I don't have to take a pill. So anyway, that's what's going on with that one. And then this one, Gülsha Ultimate Rosewater. This is a toner, and this smells very strongly of rose, like crazy strongly of rose, and they do use like rose petals and stuff. I mean, this is like an intense rose toner, and rose is supposed to be really amazing for your skin. It's anti-aging and it just helps soften and do good things. But I took the lid off and I was like, I cannot handle that. I don't like the smell of rose, and I can use it, like I have my Mario Badescu rose water spray, and that's not too bad. I can use that, but this I was like, I cannot even. So I'm actually gonna give that to my best friend who likes the scent of rose. So I think she'll like that one. So anyway, I couldn't handle it myself. And then there are 3 masks in here. This one is an eye mask, which I'm really excited to use, from Divine Collection, and it's foil tissue patches with gold and collagen. So I'm excited to use these. I do love eye patches. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. And then sheet masks, which I love and use all the time. So these will be fun to use. There is Even Out Face Mask and Shape Up Face Mask. This one is for delicate skin. This one is for uneven skin. I will use both of these. I actually like to do face masks because I always used to do them at night, but I've started doing them in the morning, you know, if I have time, or especially before like an event or something, because it just, you know, it plumps up your skin and makes it all hydrated and fantastic. And then when you go to put on your makeup and stuff, everything is just gorgeous and beautiful, and it works so fabulously. So I've been doing that a lot, and I'll put them on while I'm doing my hair, eating my breakfast, whatever, you know, especially if I have a little extra time. You know, obviously if I'm running out the door, that's not gonna happen. But so I have been using them in the morning, which I think is really fun. And then you can also use them at night if you want to, but I do love my sheet masks. And then the one thing that I have actually used, I've been using a ton. This is from Suva Beauty, and this is an eyeshadow, but it is a beautiful shimmery bronzy color, and it's nicely pigmented, and I love this. So I've been using this. I have this on my cheeks today, and I don't have a blush on. I just have this on my cheeks, and it has kind of a rosy shade to it. Like, you look at it on your finger and you're like, nope, that's just like a bronze. But then when I actually put it on, I feel like it adds a nice rosiness to it as well. It's that coppery color coming through. So I've been using this on my cheeks, on my eyes. I even have it on my shoulders, because I just think it adds a really lovely glow. And this is a nice big pan, so I'm happy about this. I actually really love this. This is in the shade the 6. It's spelled funny though. Anyway, this has been fun, and I have been using this a ton. That is it. That's my Ricky's Cult Crushes. I know, I feel so terrible that I didn't actually use the products, but at least you got to see what was in it. This box was probably the least makeup-oriented box I think I've gotten from Ricky's. A lot of skincare, and then just that one eyeshadow pan. But there was a note in here saying that the theme this month was glowing from within. So I think that's an accurate description of these products, you know. know, you get all the healthy glowiness even without makeup. And then the only makeup you really need is just a little shimmery coppery bronzer to dust all over your pretty little self, and you're good to go for summer, right? So anyway, that's my Rickies. Don't forget to check out my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you got in your Rickies and what you thought of everything. I know most people are kind of iffy on the skincare. Personally, I'm a total skincare junkie. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!